construction services group at KPS Global is comprised of 3 different areas. You have our installation area, our turnkey area, and then our service area. All of them do a little bit different type work, but they all fall under the KPS umbrella of serving our customers.
The reason why customers appreciate turnkey services that we provide are several, starting with the fact that more and more of our customers today have less resources available to help them execute their projects. And so if they can turn to one company to help them provide from spec all the way to install, completing projects on time to specification to their budget, it makes things a lot easier for them.
One of the advantages that we bring to our customers is we're able to provide a complete turnkey solution. We're able to work with our customers to come up with the actual design and engineering for their click and collect solution. After that, we're also able to manufacture the equipment, specify the equipment, install the equipment, and have it up and running.
The single point of contact is one of the best things that the customers like because they pick the phone up, call the turnkey manager, and then they know then that it's all taken care of. It's on us now, we're going to take care of it.
Additionally, it allows them to be able to work with one person to be able to budget the project and then ultimately complete it from start to finish.
First thing we do, we'll contact the city to see what kind of permits are needed. Then the project manager will then start making phone calls, getting everybody all scheduled. Then we'll start getting all the contractors involved and then set a time frame up. And then we're going to be able to follow that schedule all the way through. And then at the end of it, we do a final walkthrough with the customer.
But whether that's a nationwide rollout or a more regional area, we have the team and scale to be able to handle it. Whether that's refrigeration work, walk-in cooler work, it's something that our team has the ability and experience to handle.